It latches in forward so you can have hands off of your rotating while you're drilling down hole. And it'll kick out if you hit something really hard, and then you can actually override the kick out by holding it in place. But it will drill in forward in a latched dedent position. You have your main hydraulic pressure. Here's your engine control panel, your throttle. This is a fast drill speed, fast hoist speed. This is a flow control valve. It will transfer more flow to the hoist if you want a faster hoist, or more to the head. You can also throttle it up and you get more speed to the head, but the hoist stays consistent. Right here is a RPM gauge on your mud pump. Here's your mud pressure gauge. Here's your mud pump on and off, and speed control. Right here is an auxiliary hoist control. This is your level. It's built right in here. You can level this unit anytime, even without the mast being up. This is your mast up and down, and it's got a locking valve on the ram, so it locks in place once it reaches complete deployment. It locks in place. And right here is your breakout speed and auxiliary hoist speed. You can set your auxiliary hoist for very safe and careful use, and the balance goes to the breakout system. And here is a primer pump. There's electric primer pump on here, so you can prime the unit right from this control panel. And here's the valve for priming and running.